couples 85, 87 years. He sail everything in Germany and living in San Lucar de Barrameda in a campsite.
In motorhome.
Motorhome. She's 28. I'm I think 59, 61. Finally free.
Okay.
It's in German and Italian because we speak German and Italian in South Tyrol.
I didn't pay attention that you have a battle here as well. Okay.
Here on the road you meet a lot of people. In Spain the last year stayed 300,000 people with mobile homes. This price started new around 80-90,000.
80-90,000
Yeah,
euros.
with everything included. The living room here, now look, I not order a lot. That is the living room. Here can I change the chair.
So it's
So
turning.
we can-
You can turn the chairs as well. I didn't pay attention that you have a battle here as well. Okay.
Fridge.
This is a fridge. It's big fridge, by the way.
Yeah.
It's like home fridge. Nice. Got it. What else?
Here is my living room, not order. Here I can one bed, one.
You can make it full, but you not
Yeah,
use it.
but
You
I'm
use it
alone. I don't have girlfriend, so I sleep.
So if somebody interested,
It's a big place for travel.
yeah, I got it. But still, you can put something here.
Yeah, yeah,
And something over there. You can
Yeah,
some storage.
it's a big bed.
Okay,
Hi Stanislav, come stai?
very good. A few words about yourself.
Claudio, I'm coming from South Tyrol, Italy, the north side from Italy in the Alps, in the Dolomites. I come, Bolzano is the capital city, and there we speak two languages, Italian and German.
So you can speak German as well.
Yeah, my mother language is German, but I am Italian. The story is, before the First War, this side of Italy is Austria. After the First War is connected to Italian, and we stay Italian and German, and we speak. The first time is very strong. We don't can speak German, and after change we have an autonomy, and we have a very good situation now. We speak German, Italian, and we're living all together with
No problem.
no problem. Here's the shower, because it's same an apartment here. It's small.
It's quite big, I would say. Here's the toilet we have. Okay.
Here's the climb, but I stay a lot of time on the outside.
So you're not
I don't
using-
go campsite.
How did you start One Life? First time?
I start 8 years ago. I'm retired, and I think what I do, I will alive with adventures. I travel around the world before with a plane.
Where did you go?
Oh, I stay in Brazil, in Caribbean, in USA, in Philippines, in Thailand, in East Europe, in many countries, France, Italy.
Did you count how many countries did you visit before? No.
Oh, a lot. I working. I have vacation around 2 months in a year.
So you work more
Yeah,
to save some days to rest later on.
yeah,
And
to
then you-
travel.
Okay, that's why I got it. Okay, and then how did you start to live in a van, and which one was the first time?
I start 2018. I start in November from South Tyrol, Italy, Alto Adige, and I arrive in Spain, and a very nice weather. The people nice, the food cheap this time too.
But is it a big difference between Italy and Spain, for example, or not?
No, the center of Italy is very similar. The south and the center. The north is very different. The people more close. And what I like in Spain, the people, very open
So
mentality.
they're more open than Italian, or not? Or depends?
No, it depends. In the center and then the south, you find the same people. In the north, you find closer people.
It's everywhere like this, you know?
Yeah, yeah, the mountains. Because I asked friend of me from Spain, why you so open? It's the sun,
Yeah.
it's the sea, it's the Mediterranean Sea and the sun. The people more happy
Yeah.
than the people what stay in the mountain and
Yeah.
not sun. It's very important to climb, I think, for everyone.
Climate, yeah.
When I stay at home, okay, we have Mediterranean climb in South Tyrol. 4:30 is dark, and here 7 in the evening is dark.
Yeah, here, for example, sometimes during the summertime it can be 10.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah,
here,
yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah. This is
straightforward.
the water, and there's the energy, batteries.
How about solar panels? You have solar
I
panels?
have 500 watt
500
solar
watts.
panels and have 280 watts lithium batteries. It's very important now because I charge my e-bike. It's a
Okay.
750 watt battery.
Ah,
I use the gas for the fridge.
for the fridge you're
Yeah,
using
yeah.
gas. Okay, I got it.
This is 2023.
This on 2023, 7 meters.
Yeah.
It's like, which brand is it? And
This is a Bürstner. It's a
Bürstner.
German quality. It's high quality. And before I have an Elliot International Caravan, it's not. I see the quality is very different. The wood and everything.
so this one is
It's
good.
important the quality. Or you buy an old one, an old good one.
Bürstner as well, for example.
Bürstner is good. Heimer. The old one have more place. Is very strong. But in this moment, I like this one here. It's a good quality.
How many kilometers when you get this one?
This have around. This is second hand. I think have 20,000.
20,000. And how many kilometers did you drive?
Now I don't know. I think 15,000 more.
50.
Yeah, yeah,
So it's around 70 kilometers.
Yeah.
70,000 kilometers.
yeah.
How many horsepower does it has, and how many fuel it eats in 100 kilometers?
I think 10 liters. Not much. No,
Not much.
no. Claro.
For
When
this
you
size.
put 140, wow. When you drive 90, 100, 110,
It's the best. 90
it's the
to
best.
100.
Yeah,
is
yeah.
enough.
Yeah, I have time.
Yeah.
I have time.
Yeah.
I work 40 years, but now I have time.
Yeah.
And time is the best. Finally, free.
Okay.
It's in German and Italian because we speak German and Italian in South Tyrol. It's very important, a big garage for the bike, for everything.
So huge. You can put here motorcycle.
Okay, I put the bike. I have 120 liter of water, so I independent around a week with the water. 2 people a week. But you have to change a little bit the style to wash. You can take a shower every day, but you use the water in a different style. Every day is an adventure. I have my bike here, my e-bike, my mountain bike. I have my paddle here. I do a lot of sports. I meet nice people, same Stanislav. I never alone. On the road, I'm feeling sometimes alone in my city where I have a lot of friends. Here on the road, you meet a lot of people. In Spain, the last year, stayed 300,000 people with mobile homes. Spain, on the coast of Spain and Portugal. It's a very big community. You can look my TikTok.
Yeah.
Una vida, un'avventura.
Okay, I'll put it
After
in description.
you
In description, I put it. Yeah.
There you can see my lifestyle and how many people from everywhere, young people, young girls, young men, young families, old people around 85, 87, what travel.
I find out more retired people traveling than young people. There are some
Yeah,
young
depend
people.
where you go. Depends where you go. You can find where people kite spot.
Yeah.
You find a lot of
Young
young
people.
people with the vans, with the mobile home. What working of distance.
Mm-hmm.
Distance what doing the same kind of life.
Yeah. You have apartment in Italy, and you
Yeah,
said you rent it out, but you
yeah.
live
I
here.
rent one room,
Mm-hmm. But you still
and the
prefer to
other
live here.
one is for me. The other part of this apartment. But I have a nice apartment. It's mine. But I prefer live living this life
Mm-hmm. In the van,
in the valley.
in the
Yes,
motorhome.
yeah. We stay on the beach. One time I stay in the mountains. One time I stay near the river. One time near the lake. One time near the sea. One time in a city. The same now. It's amazing.
So you have TV as well here.
Yeah,
Using?
yeah.
You watching?
Sometimes I look. A lot what I look is YouTube.
YouTube you watching?
Yeah, yeah,
How
yeah.
about internet? What kind of internet do you use?
I use my phone.
Your phone.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
is enough?
Yeah, yes, enough. I can look movie, put my phone,
Yeah.
and connect my phone with the TV.
I get it.
For every country, I use the SIM card from the country is better. Starlink.
Yeah, it's 50. I think,
People
no?
what work is perfect.
Yeah, yeah. 50 euros I think per the
Yeah,
minimum.
50 or 80 depends.
Yeah. I think
That
it's
is
the best.
perfect,
You
man.
can go anywhere,
Yeah, yeah.
mountains, anywhere.
I think I used it the next time because sometimes I'm staying in mountains or I not have signal.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a little bit expensive but a good investment. Now that we stay in Valencia, normally I stay 1,000 kilometer lot in the south of Spain, in Andalusia. And there's warmer in the winter, around 70, 18, 20 centigrade in the day. This winter we have tornadoes in Andalusia. We have a
More
lot
rain.
of rain, destroying a lot of coast. Vegetables in Almeria is a big problem. The climate change, and the climate is changed here in the Mediterranean Sea, because in the summer the sea have 30 grades. It's not normal. It's a good bike. You're very quick in the center of the city, because I'm a lot of time I parking outside from the city, and with this bike I very quick stay everywhere.
You don't have family, or you have
No,
family? You don't have family. You're
no.
single. Single.
Single. When I find the right girl, I can change. Maybe I can change my life, or when one girl or woman like this life, we can travel together. It's no problem.
She should like sports. If
Yeah,
you like sports, she should like sports.
yeah.
Okay.
I stay in nature, but in the same time, I going out. I make party. Same yesterday in the night, I stay with young people in a club here. It's a mix. My life. I think a little bit adventure life.
What kind of what is that? Doesn't matter what kind of nationality. You don't have any preference.
There's no problem.
Yeah.
Here is important.
How old she should be?
I prefer younger than me. I prefer, but I understand I'm not a young man.
What is the gap should be from to, for example?
I
around?
think so around 45, 40 to 55. Normally I stay with younger girls than me, and I'm not millionaire because she likes me, my style, my... For a short time in Italy, near my country, Bolzano, the youngest is 30 years. But no,
30.
she don't stay a long time with me because after she understand I'm too old. She's 28.
And you was
I'm
31?
I think 59, 61. I meet she on the lake. We speaking. We stay a group. We have party. We grilling. We drinking. After see again the day after, and now it's friendship, and we stay together. I don't know, a short time.
What kind of advice normally I'm asking you can give to those who want to start this kind of lifestyle?
Renting for 1 week and understand before you like this style, because it's same my home. I have only fill up water, a little bit work, but I have a lot of free time. Many people work inside the mobile home. We're remote.
Yeah.
German, a lot of young people, around 25, 30 families with big bus working remote.
Online. Online.
Online, a lot of love. Dutch, German, a lot on the coast. And she travel all year. She sell house, she sell apartment. All people too, around 80, 85 years. I meet a couple, two couples, 85, 87 years. He sail everything in Germany and living in San Lucar de Barrameda in a campsite,
In motorhome.
motorhome. It's a lifestyle. It's not for anyone, but finally I have every comfort what I have at home, and I have my living room. Now we stay in a city. Normally my living room is the nature outside. I have the beach, I have the mountains, I have the lake.
Thank you for your interview.
Thank you, Stanislav.
Bye bye.
Nice to meet you. Bye bye.